Three milestones in a woman's life can change that. First is menarche, when the hairs are induced due to the hormonal influence. Second is after pregnancy, and third is after menopause. Laser hair removal or reduction, we say, because it is up to 80 to 85% of the reduction is considered a good reduction.
Is laser hair removal permanent or laser hair reduction permanent? Because everybody wants to hear this word permanent.
Yes.
So what is important is you hear that laser hair reduction is permanent. What is the result that you should expect from laser? If you do laser hair removal, how many sessions you should do? Does it mean that after you do that machine, that number of sessions, that throughout your life you will have no hair at all? So what is it? That's something that I want you to tell.
Yes, ma'am. Hair has strong correlation with hormone. Three milestones in a woman's life can change that. First is menarche, when the hairs are induced due to the hormonal influence. Second is after pregnancy, and third is after menopause. We do see a change in the pattern of hair growth, and numbers of the hair growth also differ. So that is why if a person, say, has done the laser hair removal in their 20s, early 20s, laser hair removal or reduction, we say, because it is up to 80 to 85% of the reduction is considered a good reduction. Rest of the hair numbers will be there, but they will become so thin and fine that you will not need that much of maintenance.
I want you to specifically address, is laser hair removal permanent or laser hair reduction permanent? Because everybody wants to hear this word permanent.
Yes.
So what is important is you hear that laser hair reduction is permanent.
Yes.
That is, let's say you have 100 hair today and it is reduced to 60 hair. That what is reduced to 60, the 40 you have lost, is permanent if you do it rightly. Right? Let's say the hair actually, there is an effluvium. Sometimes it can just fall and the root is not destroyed.
Yes,
then they will all grow back again. Actually, if you achieve a laser hair reduction, that reduction is permanent. Why do we not say laser hair removal is permanent? It is humanly impossible to target all the hair follicles, whether they are growing or they're not growing, and destroy them, because that is not possible. We can only destroy the hair follicles that are in the growth phase. At some time, not all hair follicles will be in the growth phase. The one that is in the growth phase, we take around 4-6 sessions to actually achieve maximum reduction. So let's say this reduction is somewhere between 70 to 80%. And this reduction over a period of 6 sessions, or as we mentioned, if you start early in life, 14 years, and your hormones are growing, probably you will take even 10 sessions to get this 70 to 80% reduction. What happens after that? So after that, again, when you have certain milestone changes, there are other hair follicles which has been sleeping now comes into the growth phase. So you need maintenance. So maintenance is not done at the same frequency as the initial reduction.
Sessions, yes.
So the maintenance is done probably once a year, twice a year, 3 times a year, depending on your growth. And that frequency will become less and less with time. So at some time, unlike a vaccine where you do every month throughout your life, this laser hair reduction is not done that way. Let's say for about a year, 6 times, 10 times you do it. After that, probably you do 2 times in a year or 3 times in a year. Then afterwards, probably you do once in a year. But you may have to do it for a few years. If you want, you can manage without a laser hair removal. You have here and there little hair, and that's not so obvious when you wear a short sleeve or a sleeveless blouse or whatever it is, and your swimwear, and you can manage them. This is laser hair removal. So for all our viewers, if you're considering doing laser hair removal at home, understand laser should be done in a room where there is no reflective surface. So when somebody is going to come to your house, you're going to prepare a room with no reflective. If you think that's so simple, then you can go ahead and do. And the machine that comes to your house is a very simple portable machine. It's not a machine with high power which can deliver results. You have to look at visiting a clinic which provides not just one type of laser. So we have multiple types of laser, because Dr. Smriti did mention about IPL, which is not a laser, but it's a light. When does the light also come into play is when you have a very, very thin hair. It's easier to bleach that hair and leave. Yes. You've also undergone bleaching in your skin, and when it's not visible to your eyes. end of the day, we want the hair not being visible.
Yeah, like peach fuzz.
Yeah.
It is not exactly the hair, but it does interfere in your looks because it looks little
so
darker.
you will need IPL also at some point if you want a perfect result. So you should visit a clinic which has got multiple types of laser if you want a good result. So if you are considering laser hair removal, safety, a very good machine, multiple lasers is what you should look for. And one more, if everybody thinks that laser hair removal is only for women, so you want to talk about laser hair removal for men before we close?
Yes, I think if I ask today, so many men are going to the beauty parlors or salons to get their waxing done on the chest, on their arms. So I think there I should not even tell that it is already awareness is there, and many men want to go because they want to go shirtless and they want to look hairless for the vanity, for the beauty of it. So, and how painful is that? Everybody knows for a man, because laser hair removal per se is not painful if you ask a woman, because they regularly get threading, they regularly get waxing, and the hair is thinner in women as compared to men. And obviously pain tolerance, many people, men will hate me for this, but women have a better pain tolerance. When we do a laser hair removal, plucking, waxing and everything is more painful than a laser hair removal. When it comes to men, yes, when you see those videos on Instagram where the ripping of the wax strip is happening, that looks very, very painful. So why? Why are you still going through that pain when everybody is knowing that you are going to salons and parlors to get your chest hair removed and the arms hair removed? Consider laser hair removal. We have many patients who are men and who have gotten their laser hair removal done at our clinic. Some people think that no, we don't want to talk about it and all.
Yeah,
Being
so
a man, we don't have to say
another
that.
important is you also should understand doing laser hair removal in men is not the same as women, because you need in-depth understanding of laser physics, energy, because male hair is very thick, they are very coarse. For every square centimeter, the number of hair
Is
thick
very
hair
much.
is more. So you can't, many times the companies teach certain parameters. If a clinic is just going to follow the standard parameter and use them on you, you will end up having burns.
Yes.
So it is very important that you visit clinic where experts are handling a machine to be set for each individual for you to get the best of result. So if you're either men or women considering laser hair removal and you would like to fix an appointment to come and consult us and get your procedures done, just comment laser hair removal in the comment section below. If you have any other doubts as well, you
Put
can
it in the
comment
comments.
and we are more than happy to address it. You can visit our clinic website www.tamiralife.com. Before coming, if you want to speak to us more, you can fix an online consultation and we will talk to you and we will tell you how many sessions you will require. And after that, you can just fix a schedule, just come, get it done. It doesn't take more, depending on the area you want to get it done. It can take from 15-20 minutes to about 2-3 hours if it's a full body, and we do a full body laser hair removal too. This is Dr. Jayanti Ravindran and Dr.
Smriti
Smriti
Nathani
from Tamira Plastic Surgery. Empowered RF, one of the best state-of-the-art platforms, actually uses radio frequency as the energy.
I would like to focus a little more on the tone of the pelvic floor muscles. After multiple childbirths, everything loosens. Even the pelvic floor, which is the muscles are there, they also loosen because of the pressure which is applied on the vaginal lower wall due to the childbirth.